Hello friends, welcome to mechanics tutorial. Now in this numerical, little bit changes are given. Now here the resultant force is given and component of the resultant force we have to find out. So in this numerical, the resultant force is 1400 Newton vertical. So that means magnitude and direction is given, resultant force. From that you have to find out the component Q. Okay, so here you have to again follow the same process. First resolve both the forces and go with these steps. So now we are resolving. अब आपको पता है कि P जो भी है एंगल 60 डिग्री का है फॉर फोर्स P, तो इसका हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट जो आएगा दैट इज 800 cos 60 एंड वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट आएगा आपका 800 sin 60. Similarly, here Q is unknown force and angle is also unknown. ये दोनों आपको फाइंड करने हैं. तो Q का एंगल अगेन थीटा है and that is with x axis. That means ये जो भी कंपोनेंट आएगा ये आएगा आपका Q cos थीटा and वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट आएगा आपका Q sin थीटा. Okay. So here most important condition you have to write as resultant is vertical. So the horizontal component of resultant is 0 and vertical component of resultant is equal to r. ये दो conditions आपको use करनी है to solve the problems. Okay. So the first step is summation of horizontal forces, that is f of x is equal to 0 because resultant is moving in vertical direction. That's why we are writing f of x is equal to 0 because resultant का x की direction में effect 0 है. ओके तो अभी 800 cos 60 हमें पता है कि ऑल राइट साइड फोर्सेस पॉजिटिव, ऑल लेफ्ट साइड फोर्सेस आर नेगेटिव. तो ये 800 cos इज मूविंग टुवर्ड राइट, तो ये क्या आएगा आपका 800 cos 60 माइनस बिकॉज q cos थीटा इज मूविंग लेफ्ट साइड, दैट्स व्हाई माइनस q cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. RHS is 0. Now 800 cos 60 value is 400. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है आपकी 400 minus q cos theta equal to 0. Therefore q cos theta is equal to 400. This is your equation 1. Okay. Now step 2 is summation of vertical forces, that is f of y, which is equal to r because resultant is vertical, that's why. Okay, तो अब vertical forces को कौन से, first is 800 sin 60 plus q sin theta is equal to 1400 magnitude of resultant. Okay, तो q sin theta is equal to 1400 minus 800 sin 60 and here 707.18. Okay, q sin theta. This is your equation 2. Okay, from these two equations we get the value of q as well as theta. Okay, so here step 3 is dividing equation 2 by equation 1. Okay, तो equation 2 क्या है आपका q sin theta upon q cos theta equal to 707.18 divided by 400. So Q get cancel. Yeah, sin upon cos is your tan theta. Okay, so tan theta is equal to 707.18. That value comes to 1.768. 1.768. This value. Okay, so theta is equal to tan inverse of 1.768, and that is nothing but 60.50. 60.50 degree. This is the value of theta. Put this value of theta in equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, in any equation you can put. Okay, so let's say put value of theta in equation 1. तो equation 1 क्या आएगा आपका? Q cos 60.50 is equal to 400. Okay, from there you will get Q is equal to 812.46 Newton. Okay, 812.46 Newton. So in this way you will get both the values. Okay, thank you.